Craving for a vacation, aren't you? Well, this resort, which is literally on a cliff of a mountain, may be a great place to start at. Welcome to Shambhala Resort in Mahabaleshwar. About 5.5 hours away from Mumbai and 3.5 hours away from Pune, Shambhala is nestled between Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. Opened recently, the highlight of this resort has to be its spectacular location and its view of the lush valley. With its rustic charm, you can hear the sound of waterfall and enjoy the gorgeous view not just from the restaurant, but also from all the rooms and the infinity pool. It's got a lush garden, a plush restaurant and a common area for those who want to unwind. The Shambhala is a boutique resort and it's got a beautiful rustic feel. It offers 9 rooms across 3 categories, be it tents, cottages or a villa. Let me show you the rooms. So all rooms at Shambhala offer the valley view and the tent is no different. Well, the tent is a perfect place for those who like a bit of luxury and a lot of adventure. In fact, it's also got a very cute sit-out area. So this is the cottage, which has got a beautiful poster bed with an old world charm. But what I love the most about this room is this glass wall, which gives an infinity view of the valley. A dining experience with a view like that, well, that is totally unmatched. So the restaurant here is open air and it serves Indian, Chinese as well as continental delicious food that I can see right in front of me. But don't worry if you're not staying at the hotel. Guests can walk in and enjoy this lovely experience. And now to my villa. This is where I'm staying. Spread across 2 floors, the villa can accommodate up to 6 people. It's got a huge sitting area with a swing, 2 rooms, a lawn and a private plunge pool. In all of Shambhala, you will see this distinct rustic charm with furniture, walls or even the switch buttons in an olden style. The rooms are modern but with an old world charm. A private pool to yourself is clearly the need of the hour. And with a view like this, I bet you'll forget all your worries. My favorite part of the hotel has to be the pool, which offers an infinity view of the valley, the clouds and the horizon. And this pool is open to everyone staying at the hotel.
The favorite part is just sitting outdoors and enjoying the view and seeking inner peace. Our aim at Shambhala is to craft amazing individual experiences for our guests, and we look forward to welcoming each one of you.
Well, there couldn't have been a better finish to my stay at Shambhala than a bonfire on a chilly night. I know you've been at home for really long and craving for a vacation, but with all the safety precautions, traveling is possible. So do your bit to boost the domestic tourism. Log on to curlytails.com and grab that exclusive offer. Until then, it's me, Kamya Jani, signing off.